Hi, I recently watched a video of a guy literally transforming himself in a month or 30 days because it was challenged to him to speak to the camera for 30 days. And I want to try it out myself. Like, why not? There's a lot of things that I can get committed to, and I want to be able to share a lot of values and online, and I know I can do it if I am not comfortable speaking to the camera. So maybe, yeah, that's why I'm taking up on this challenge even when nobody asked me to. So I'm Brian. I am a 20 years old student from Cavite State University, and I'm currently at my dorm. As you can see, it's pretty mess around and some noises in the background. So, but I have to start with what I have. You can. A lot of problem with me is on 2024 last year is I kept having all of these ideas. I kept on having all of these plans, these goals, but I didn't execute them. I didn't know how, or maybe I knew how, but I still wasn't able to execute. And that's one thing that I'm going to change this 2025. I want to execute, and no matter what the result is, I think I'm still going to win. Maybe this video or the videos I'm going to make are not going to get that much engagement, but that is still progress. I have to learn how to fail. I have to learn how to fall forward. Like, even when in failure, I'm still winning. That's all, and it's been a crazy week, crazy month because of all of these outputs, this finals week. It's all about the films, these presentations, this research paper, case analysis, even in musical theater, and we still all have to do it. So kudos to all of my classmates out there, all my group mates that are still intact. you know uh, yeah, still for having that motivation to still get up in the morning and do what they need to do. So yeah, uh, that's all. And I read Daily Stoic of Ryan Holiday. I think it's Ryan Holiday's Daily Stoic, and it's January 15th right now. So it was one of the quotes from Seneca, and there's this one word that said euthymia, and it basically means that you have to be you have to tell yourself that you're in the right way, or not. You're certainly not sure that you're in the right way, but you have to tell yourself that you're 100. You may be not 100% right all the time, or you may not be 100% sure that this is the right path that you're going to take, but know that you are going the right way. I think that doesn't make much sense, but repeat mo na lang yung video or explain ko na lang in another vid. And it also says that your progress doesn't mean anything to others, and others' progress, mali. It certainly means that you have to you have to not take notice of others' progress and just focus solely on yours. Like, you're watering your grass too much that you can't notice other people's grass are greener than yours, or more bland, or more harvested than yours, more growing than yours. So just focus on watering yourself. Focus on investing yourself. Read books, go to the gym, build the discipline, level up your academic games, your academic strategies. Go, get get good at school, and yeah, get good at building relationships as well, because no man is an island, and I think that you can't really survive alone. Yeah. Mm. And for today, I really studied on my long quiz exam for tomorrow, and um, even after all of the days na nag-film kami, nagkaroon ng finalization for the scripts, nagkaroon ng class, I woke up at 6:30. I was still able to go to the gym after the school. And I'm not saying that everybody should do it, but I'm saying that's the kind of discipline that I have. And I'm not being egotistical, but I'm hoping that other people can do that as well. You know, maybe not going to the gym, but pursue something that you want right after your class, and enjoy life, because you only have one life, and 40 years, 50 years, 60 years later, you're going to regret that you didn't do the things that you wanted to do right now. So just take action. Even if wala ka ngayon, wala ka, just make use of what you have, you know. I remember wanting an iPhone 13 na before I started content creating, and I think that was just an excuse, because I didn't like a low quality video. But out of all these people online, all these creators out there, hindi naman ganun kaganda yung quality nila, but they are booming because of why? Because of the values they are putting out online, because they are amusing, they're entertaining, and after mabay ng mga kapatid and ng family ko yung iPhone 13 na gamit ko ngayon, is yun, I realized na hindi lang pala quality ng camera yung kailangan just to start. Ang kailangan mo lang is you have to build up your courage, master up the courage to start, and you can't be good at something without starting at it. And you can't compare other people's chapter 20 to your chapter 1, because comparison is the greatest thief of joy. And you have to be proud, and you have to be happy of the progress that you're making, or the actions that you're taking, because the habits that you're doing right now will tell what your future is going to look like. So yeah, just start like that, and bye. Peace.